Welcome back to the lakefront property renovation. This is still part of the tear down, as you can see, and it was way more extensive than we originally thought, but we took it down to nothing and then hauled everything away. It was precarious because there's such a steep grade going right down to that lake, but it was all questionable, so it all had to be removed. So here you can see how much wood that we've recovered. What we can use this for, I don't know. I'm not sure. We might need to have all the walls stamped, so brand new wood. I don't know. We have to find that out, ask at the county and see what their requirements are. I think I might have shown in a previous video that the next door neighbors had a landslide. So what these gentlemen are doing is building a retaining wall. And I asked them if they were going to add additional dirt and plant rhododendrons on the area that pushed all the dirt down from my property. I'll keep you posted. Everything has been cleaned up. So happy to see that. All of this junk was cleaned away, taken away. So this has really been built up with a lot of stone, and we're going to try and level this out. We'll take those off. This will all get leveled out. We're talking about digging this deeper so we can put a basement in here possibly. We'll see how things go once that tree there is removed. But, you know, it's moving forward, so this is awesome. So nice and clean. So happy to see this done. And it is a really kind of a gloomy, rainy day today. But still, it's a nice view. We're just taking some quick measurements. Here, let me hold this. We're measuring 9 feet over. That's 8 feet. 9 feet is where the RV was, so it's not 9 feet. 7 feet is where the, right there, that's way too far, obviously. Because it was to where that piece of was to here. This is probably more like 7 feet. And I don't know if that's the line. That's a line that they had moved. It might be where the trees are, which would be more like 9 feet from here to here. We think there might be an easement. Barriers we gotta have. We're not sure where, I know the line's not straight, so we don't really know where the border is. But I'm not so sure that's going to be an issue. Everything is so tight in this community. That's what I'm thinking. So we will put the cement foundation, which I believe is right where those cinder blocks are. Here we're measuring 15 feet to the street. Oh, okay. Put it down on the ground so you know we're 50. Okay, make a little line in it. Okay, that's great. And then walk down, however, what did you say, 41, 40? So I'm going to hold this here and see where she ends up down there. What is it? 41? Okay. All right, great. I'm going to put this on the brick here and measure over. How far is that? 14 feet. Okay, so it's about 40 or 41 by 14. Okay, great. And then we have...
That's sure, because you're not going to probably go to here with the house, and that'll be the deck.
We have this area over here. So it'll be on the other side. Where's that line in the... So it'll be from this mark here, over, here, over. So the tree will be gone, it'll be under that.
Plus now we can go further out with the house, a lot further out.
We can go further out because I think we have a 9-foot at least easement from that guy's property over.
Right, so even if we need to come in a little bit on this side, a little bit, we've got that whole area over there we can build on.
Right.
And the 9 feet from over there, it's way over.
Look at how they really dug into this earth.
Yeah.
I guess because they didn't want to take the tree down, but that tree's got to come down.
But that's a big space in there, a lot bigger than I thought it was. I mean, that's huge.
Well,
I
knew
put the bedrooms down there.
Well, I knew it. Well, we'll decide. But I wanted to kind of get an idea so I can do some sketches. You have an idea?
Well, what I want to do is I want to measure, trying to take it over there, Mel, and figure 9 feet, and then from there take it over to here, and I know how wide this is.
Well, you can't really get over there because it's got all that wood in the way.
Oh, I'm gonna get behind from there. That's probably the furthest point.
What are you gonna do?
Here.
You want me to stand here and you can walk over there?
Just hold on to this. Hold on for that.
Okay, I'm about where that bulkhead is, and she's gonna try and get on the other side. She's gonna walk around. We're trying to get an idea so I can do a preliminary sketch because we got to take it to the county for an approval. She's kind of walking down the property line. There's a marker over there. We had this surveyed. So she's going over there to see approximately how far it is, and we'll subtract 9 feet, and then we'll know where we can build. I don't know if we will, but we'll get an idea, a better idea.
Can you pull it taut?
No. Hold on a minute.
Look, if you put, you can put easily a basement under here, dig this out and make this level, come down a little bit further. I mean, I'm about, that's probably 4 feet. So got to go down a little bit more. So you have a basement here and that can be higher, but there's plenty of room here to come down, level this all off.
Well, you want it deeper than 4 feet.
Yeah, dig this down.
Typically a basement I think is 7.5, 8 feet maybe. I don't know.
I mean, this is raised up.
This is all stone in here.
It's all stone, it's like useless.
Well, we can use it for something, but
Right.
not for
But
this.
I mean, this all can be basement down here, Mel. Tear this all up. Maybe not there, like build the foundation there, but this all can be basement down here. This is huge area, you know? I mean, that's an extra like space over there that's useless. The house stopped here.
Driveway.
The house stopped here.
Well, actually,
Go over there by the rhododendrons.
there's probably enough space up here for the driveway. You could put probably 4 cars here. Okay. Any other thoughts?
Any other thoughts? No.
Okay. Based on those measurements, I made this sketch. It's a 1/4 inch equals 1 foot. So I've got 41 on one side, 14, and that will be where the cement foundation will sit. And then the 24 by 24 on the other side will be pillars, we think. We're not really sure yet. These are obviously early stages of this. Anybody have any ideas for drawings? I made 5 copies of this, and we're going to sketch out different plans, different ideas for things that can be done. Now that 14 by 41 will have 2 stories, so think about that and send me your ideas. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all of your support, your subscriptions, your sharing, your liking. It really helps me with YouTube, and I appreciate your help. Thank you. See you on the next one.